everyone, it's Jennifer with Blonde Ambition. Welcome to Simple Life. Today we're going to get ready to clean out our closets. Now, one of the big things that we're seeing in Pinterest and Facebook and the news is the capsule wardrobe. So let's first talk about what that is, and then I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to edit your closet down to what you truly need. First off, I'm going to give you a disclaimer. This really is my whole closet. The only thing that's not included in this video is things like my pajama drawer and my personal items. So this is everything that I own, and I still have room to get rid of some things. So the capsule wardrobe. The capsule wardrobe is a certain amount of items that you rotate through and you wear to let your life be a little less stressful. The usually is 20 to 30 items, only a couple pairs of pants, 4 tops, 2 dress tops, a dress, some shoes, and some jewelry. I completely fail at this because I have more than 33 pairs of earrings alone. So I do not have a capsule wardrobe, but what we can tackle is what that means for you. The first thing that you do if you're trying to build a capsule wardrobe is realize it is seasonal. It's not 33 items for your whole wardrobe for the whole year. So think about where you live, how many seasons you have, what's going to be applicable to you. I live in Arizona, therefore I have 2 seasons, warm and hot. So I have to pick which one that is. So I have sections in my closet. I have super hot and not as hot in here, and then I have my dresses behind me. So as you're going through your wardrobe, think about things that mix and match. Try to stick to neutrals. Color palettes, the big color palette for this year is going to be pastels, particularly purple. You're going to see a lot of that in stores paired with rose gold. Try to stay on trend with a few pieces, but don't buy 20 pieces of one color. Pop that color in here and there, whatever is going to work for you and your skin type. When you go to start creating that capsule wardrobe, the first thing you want to do is try to sort out things that you don't need anymore. So here's my tip and trick for everything comes out of the closet. You need to physically touch your clothes. So if I was going to go do this, I would take this whole section, take it out, and start analyzing what I need. 3 categories, sometimes 4 if you really need time to think it through. Definitely keep, I wear it all the time. Seasonal or special occasion, put that in category 2. 3rd category is donate. 4th category is trash. If it's ripped, torn, has stains on it, is frayed, anything like that, get rid of it right away. That should be a no-brainer. No matter how much it's your favorite t-shirt, get rid of it. If it's donatable, donate it to Goodwill, Salvation Army, someone where some people can get some use out of it. The hardest part people has is between category 1 and category 2. I am a remorseful shopper. I do not want to admit that I wasted money on anything. So when I have a category 2 piece, I have a tendency to hold on to it too long. So for me, summer wardrobe, we have spring and summer coming up here. I know I'm going to wear this. I just bought this last year. I wore it 2 times in the first week. Know I'm going to wear that. I wear this maybe twice a year, so this would be put into a category 2 for me. I'm going to put it on my bottom hanger. This top I've had for about 5 years. It still is in good shape. I wear it a lot, category 1. Just going through like that and deciding. Once you've got your categories picked out, anything that's in category 2, you're going to do a little mind trick and you're going to put it at the back of your closet where you're not going to see it, and you're going to wait. If you don't wear that item in 30 days, donate it. Easy peasy, straightened out all your closet. You won't have any extra pieces. Then I suggest you organize it by style so it's easy for you in the morning. I organize mine by sleeveless, long sleeve jacket, and then I also go extra OCD and organize it by color. So I have my sleeveless t-shirts, long sleeves, and jackets organized from light to dark. Easy for me to pick stuff up out of. If you have any questions or any comments, or you want to see some more videos like this, please subscribe, put your comments or questions in the comments box underneath. And this is Jennifer with Blonde Ambition, wishing you the simple